Suicide is a thing that we don't talk about much in Africa because we have a stigma around it. It's a taboo really to take someone's own life, so people don't want to talk about it, people ignore it, and we don't have the necessary conversations. We are not bold enough to have them. Children are teenagers, children, even young people who are older than teenagers are also going through struggles in a time where they feel more detached from each other, yet connected. Yeah. The connections they feel are present, but they're detached from each other. They're superficial, for lack of a better word. Yeah, I can send a good morning to you, but it's not really to check in on how you're doing. I can be online with you and we are chatting, but I'm not really physically present or emotionally present in that conversation. And that's one of the greatest challenges we are facing today.